Хей достар, барына сәлем, сенемен бүгін мен Бексұлтан. Достар, менің арнама қош келдіңіздер. Достар, видео бастамастан бұрын мен сіздерден кешірім сұрағым келіп тұр. Неліктен десеңіздер, өздеріңіз білесіздер, бір ай менің каналымда видео шықпай кетті. Оның себебі менің ютубқа деген құлшынысым мүлдем өліп қалды, яғни 0%. Мүлдем видео түсірмеме және де шығаршап жүрдім. Оның үстіне мен қазір ағылшынмен айналысып жүрмін, ағылшын оқып жүрмін. Алдыға жазға қарай керемет контенттер түсіріп бастайтын боламыз. Ал мен ендеше достар, бүгінгі видеомды бастаймын. Бүгінгі видео 24 сағат тек қана ағылшынша сөйлеймін. Біз бастаймыз.
Hey, I'm standing in the bed we made. Guess I never got the part. I'm kicking all the sheets away.
Oh, sorry. Hello my friends, my name is Bексұлтан. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Бексұлтан Серик. And today I shoot a video about my life. Короче, движуха, чахармахар движение. I start. Let's go.
I'm up all night to the sun. He's up all night to get sun. I'm up all night for good fun.
Good morning everyone. I wake it up. Oh, I want to sleep. Time is 8 o'clock. Now I go to wash my face.
Wake up and we touching, but I can't feel like I do.
Okay, I am finished. After 4 minutes, start my first lesson English. English is very easy. The hard work paid off and the final film beautiful captures the stunning scenery. Goodbye. Okay, English lesson is finished. I go to my bed and I will relax. You see me after 30 minutes, but for me is 30 minutes, for you is 1 second. I rested. Now the third lesson will begin. Algebra is begun. There is a math lesson where learning through the application Google Meet. After 2 minutes, math is finished. Math is finished and fourth lesson is geography. My mother cooking for me my breakfast. Masla ne diyor?
In the color of bark.
Samara, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. My brush and my teeth.
Осторожно, но ты снова улетаешь.
Я разлюбил себя.
I'm finished. I brushed my teeth and now begin fourth lesson geography. Then after 20 minutes I will eat my breakfast. My friends, now there is a geography lesson, but I will eat. Oh, my breakfast. I think this breakfast very tasty. It's very cold outside. It's my breakfast, water and geography. I ate my breakfast and now I will do a geography test.
2,000 years later.
I got 10 balls from geography test. In short, the last lesson is offline.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb?
My friends, I fell asleep and I только что wake up. Okay, so my grandmother cooked baursaks. Very delicious. But today I am very sad. Okay, my friends, I collect water and I will have a shower. Утром будет, короче, шашем будет. И, короче, Okay, guys, I had a shower and I'm very fresh at the moment.
Oh no, I hope
Asmurat.
I fall.
Asmurat studying and doing homework, yes?
Yes.
Doing homework. I go to brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice.
A few moments later.
I'm doing my English homework. You can see. Oh, very cold outside.
Oh no, I
It's very cold outside. Really. I'm started.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
Now I go to outside, so I go to the supermarket and buy chips or chickens and buy juice. For example, Coca-Cola. Go. It's my look when I home, and it's my look when I outside. Yes. Ooh, so beautiful, man. I listening to music with my headphones, and this is my bike. Oh, really very cold on outside. Whoa.
Almighty push. I got broads in Atlanta, to the in the front, credit cards in the scams.
It's cold. I come in and I choose what I buy. I think cola. Oh, it's very good. I bought one chips and Coca-Cola. I think what this is enough. Okay, I will buy chicken.
20 minutes later.
I came to my home. I bought one chips and one juice called Coca-Cola, but one chips and one cola cost 1,120 tenge. It's very expensive. This is Monte, which I cooked 20 minutes ago. Soon I will eat this Monte.
Это пиздец.
Okay, my friends, I go to kitchen and I will eat my dinner. Dinner is Monte and soda or Coca-Cola. Okay, yeah. Now I drinking a Coca-Cola and eating my dinner.
Alone.
I ate my dinner, but I'm very hungry. I'm dressing now and I will go for my chicken.
Talk to me honestly, look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
It's very cold. Chicken.
Do you think I'm
I am waiting
stupid?
my order.
Do you think I'm batshit crazy, having you on my mind?
Oh really? I got my chickens. I watching a film, Царство Небесное, and this is PlayStation, this is my phone, this monitor, this chicken and free potato.
Oh my god, baby, baby, don't you see?
I just relaxing. I think this film is very interesting.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride.
Film is very interesting and I already ate my chicken and free and drank my Coca-Cola, but film is very interesting. Now I will my homework.
2 hours later.
My friends, I finished my English homework. Name of place Dubai, flight time 5-6 hours from Nur Sultan. I'm very tired today and now I will brush my teeth and then I will go to bed. I finished my English homework and I think you enjoyed my video. Put likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Big Sultan was with you. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.
I just can't get you out of my